So recently I had a case in job where I had to simulate laser diodes, and I could not find model for the one I needed. Actually, there are not like many models out there in the internet. At least I could not find them. And for example, there is this laser diode from Osram, and if we scroll down, we can access the charts. And what I actually wanted to say, the standard like 4 volt voltage drop for diodes are 0.7 volts, and for example for laser diodes the forward voltage drop starts from, at least from this one, starts from 3 volts for example, and then goes up depending on how much the current flows and etc. So that was the problem, and how to solve that. That was my question, how to solve that. So I made a little schematic already. So I put in the laser diode, and for example I will simulate this schematic. And so this, yeah, this already was the right one. So this is about 0. Oh, I can actually measure it. So this is about 0.7 volts. Okay. But I need those 4 volts or more. I want, for this demonstration purposes, I want to change to 6 volts. So you can find many answers in help section. So I actually had opened it already. You had to go to model directive, and for with model directive you can change parameters for various components, like override them in the schematic. And we need the diode, and for diode we need to change a forward voltage, like the threshold. And so the name for it is this one. I will copy it. And how to do it? We had to press the spice directive button and enter the model. Then we had to give the name for this special like model in this schematic. I will call it custom diode, but you can call whatever you want, even unicorn diode or whatever. Custom diode. And then we had to tell about what kind of component we are talking about, and we are talking about the diodes, so that is D. And then we had to tell what kind of characteristic we want to change, and we want to change it to 6 volts. Okay, that will be all for now. So the directive knows that we had to, for the custom diode, we had to change it, but we had not told yet what is the custom diode. So we want to tell that that's this one. So there is 2 options how you can access it to change that particular field. You can press Ctrl button and then press mouse right button, and then you will open, or that will be a value section, or you can just press the right mouse button on this lower name, and it popped out on second screen for me. So we had to tell that that is a custom diode. Okay, so let's simulate what happens. We check out here, and as we see, those are 6 volts, 6 volt drop on this diode. If we change that, for example, to 4 volts and then simulate, then that is a 4 volt drop. There is some kind of anomaly, so okay, whatever. We won't deal with that for now. So I will change it back to 6 volts, and I will demonstrate that this forward voltage threshold actually works. I will lower this supply voltage to 5 volts, and we resimulate it, and we want to take a look on the current, and the current is in picoamperes and almost like 0. So, and I will change back, because previously you did not saw the amperage. So simulate again, and as you can see, there are 4 milliampere jump, so it actually works. And this can be really helpful in cases, for example, if you want to change your RDS(on) resistance for Mosfet. Let's try to do that. So right now we will check on this what kind of like voltage drop there are. Those are 38 microvolts. So okay, we will say that we want to change the Mosfet, and that is N-type, N-channel Mosfet. So we go to Mosfets, and so we will tell that that is a NMOS. There are NMOS. I will copy it. Model, and we want to change the RDS, air drain source shunt resistance. Okay, RDS. Okay, let's go here, put it in, and I will change that to this Mosfet's name, O6408 NMOS, and not this one, but RDS, and let's change that to 10, 12, whatever, milliohms. And if we resimulate, okay, it even doesn't open. 0.2 Oh, I probably had to just give the right way 0.1. Okay, and it worked. And now it is 400 microvolts, and if we increase it to, let's say, 1 ohm, no, those are 4 millivolts. As you can see, the numbers change, everything works. So that's how you override the characteristics of particular component.